What if I told you one of the richest investor in the world is quietly sending a warning signal right now? Not on social media, not in headlines, but through his actions. I am talking about the man behind billions in wealth, Warren Buffett, and today we are breaking down his five most important warnings for the current market situations, because if you ignore these, the market will not forgive you. Warning first, the market is not cheap anymore. Right now, valuations across the market are extremely high. Stocks are not just going, they are stretching beyond fundamentals, and Buffett's message is simple. When everything looks expensive, your risk is silently increasing. This is the moment where most people make a critical mistake. They confuse bull market excitement with safe investing. But Buffett's philosophy says the opposite. Price matters more than popularity. So ask yourself, are you investing or just changing momentum? Warning 2, cash is not trash, it is power. In today's world, everyone is obsessed with being fully invested. But Buffett is doing something different. He is holding massive cash reserve. Why? Because smart investors don't force opportunities, they wait for them. Cash is not sitting idle money, it is waiting emotions. When the market crashes, cash becomes your biggest weapon. And right now, Buffett is clearly preparing, not panicking. Warning 3, speculations is rising like never before. Let's be honest, today's market is not just investing anymore. It's trading options, crypto hype, meme stocks, fast money dreams. And Buffett has always warned against this behavior. He compares it to gambling, because when people stop analyzing businesses and start betting on price moves, the market stops being investment and becomes casino. And in casinos, the house always wins. Warning 4, when fear comes, do not freeze. Here's some things most investors understand. When the market falls, people panic. They sell everything, lock losses, and exit. But Buffett's mindset is different. He sees cases and opportunities zones. Fear in the market is not a signal to run, it is a signal to observe, because every major wealth building phase in history started when others were scared. So the real question is, will you panic or prepare? Warning 5, rules matter more than predictions. Buffett never claims he can predict the market. Instead, he follows strict rules. Never lose money unnecessarily. Never invest in what you don't understand. Never let emotions control decisions. And the most powerful one, rule number first, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Because in the long run, survival beats predictions. Final message, what should you do now? So, what does all this mean for you? It doesn't mean don't investment. It means invest with patience, respect valuations, control risk, think long term, avoid emotional decisions, because in today's market, the biggest enemy is not the market itself, it is your reaction to it. Outro. Clarity wins. Warren Buffett's message is not fear, it is clarity. And in a noisy market world, clarity is your biggest advantage. So the final question is simple: are you investing like the crowd or thinking like Buffett? Uh, okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.